In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a boarding pass template on Canva. So just like what we have been doing on our search bar, let's look for boarding pass. There you go. We'll just be looking for some inspirations. Well, this one looks nice, so let's just click on it and click on customize this template. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Now, this one looks really good already, but I want it to be a little bit girly, so let's change the blue colors into, what about gradient pink? That looks not so nice. This one. Ooh, I like this. This one is perfect. I like this one. Okay, so let's just change all of the blue colors into this color. Change all. And voila! Just like that. Change your name, your flight, destination, departure, the date, and all of these details here. That's about it. That's how you can make a boarding pass template on Canva. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.